Good morning. We
Good
had done
morning,
this pie
ma'am.
chart yesterday. Good morning, Beta. We did this pie chart yesterday, you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Only those students will remember, na? The ones who were present and the ones who had done. How would the others remember? Now see this. Just read the question. This one.
Good morning.
Good morning, Beta. See, today we have a different question. This chart gives information about carbon emissions. Matlab, when vehicles run, how much of pollution, how much of carbon is given out. See this figure. The years are different, the countries are different. Take 2-3 minutes, just observe the figure first, just observation. How many graphs you can see? One is dark, one is light, isn't it? There are three graphs.
Yes, ma'am.
They show you different what? What are the three different years?
Countries. Sorry,
What are the
years.
three different
Years.
years? What are the 3 years which are represented here? One is 1975, which is the other one?
1990. 75.
1990 and 2005.
Hmm. One is 1975. The second is 1990.
1990. 200.
2000.
2005.
Can we have the name of the countries which are mentioned here?
USA, Germany, UK,
USA,
China,
Germany, United
Canada,
Kingdom,
India.
China, Canada, India.
Okay, fine. USA, Germany, UK, China, Canada, India. What are carbon emissions? What do you mean by carbon emission?
Ma'am, a gas released by the vehicle.
Fine, beta. The introductory paragraph has to be planned. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes. Plan your introductory paragraph. Raise your hand, whoever is ready with the
Good
introductory
morning,
paragraph.
ma'am.
Good morning. Today is the last time I'm taking up analytical paragraph. From coming week, I will not take analytical paragraph. We've done many of them. Those who are regular know that we have done many. So hurry up. Plan your introductory paragraph. Raise your hands. Just raise your hands so that I know and I can start asking you. Quickly, children. Plan your introductory part.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, Akshada, speak better.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Akshada had raised her hand, so I thought she's ready. Ramsha, Ramsha, are you ready? You've raised
Yes,
your
ma'am.
hand? Haan, beta, speak.
The above graph shows the carbon emissions by different countries.
One thing you could have added on. What have you missed out?
Ma'am,
Tell
may I?
me. Yes, speak.
The above bar graph shows carbon emissions for 6 countries in 1975, 1990, and 2005.
Okay, this is better. We've just added the years also. Who else will speak?
Ma'am, the above bar graph shows the amount of carbon emissions in different countries.
Very good, very good. Different countries, which years we can add then? Hmm. Yes. Anyone else would like to speak?
Ma'am, the above bar graph shows carbon emission
Hmm.
in 6 different countries in 1975, 1990, and 2005.
Very good, very good. So simple. You have just to name beta. That is all. You have to just name the figure and tell about the details. Anyone else? Come on, tell me. No?
Ma'am, the chart below gives information about the amount of carbon emission in different countries during the 3 different years, that is 1975, 1990, and 2005.
Very good. Very, very good, children. Too good. Excellent. Now we can plan the second paragraph, or somebody else would also like to speak. Hmm. Chalo, never mind. Plan the second paragraph. Raise your hands. Hurry up, raise your hands. The only way I get to know that you have finished writing this that when you raise your hands. So please raise your hand as soon as you plan your second paragraph. Malay Suhali, you want to speak the introductory part?
Ma'am, already spoke.
No, Suhali wants to speak again. Your hands are still raised. I thought you want to read again. Chalo, read, okay. Plan the second paragraph, then again raise your hand. Children, when you plan your second paragraph, keep in mind that you have to adhere to the word limit. So including the introductory and the detailed paragraph, it should be somewhere between 130 to 140 words, not less than this. I hope you are writing. Don't miss out from the meeting. Don't disappear.
Yes, ma'am, writing.
I'm waiting, children. Increase your speed. This is a little complicating one. 3 graphs have to be compared at the same time. As soon as some work is given, one by one, most of the students they leave the meeting and they feel that they'll be marked present, surprisingly. I'm still waiting. Not even one hand raised.
Ma'am, doing.
I understand it is very complicating. Take your time. It's okay. But please continue to do.
Ma'am, done.
Read out first, then post. Read better. Read loudly so that everybody can listen. Start reading.
From the chart, we can see that in 1975, the emission of carbon by the countries was less, but there had been a steady rise in the carbon emission in the year 2005. Canada released the minimum amount of carbon that is less than nearly 1 lakh. In Germany and United Kingdom, the amount of carbon emission from 1975 to 2005 has been decreased. In India, it has been increased from nearly 1 lakh to 4 lakh. In the sharp contrast, as comparing to the other countries, USA and China released the maximum amount of
Yes, Veda, continue. What happened? You're not audible. Hurry up, hurry up. Someone else? There is some problem. Now I cannot hear. Anybody else who's ready, raise your hands by the time. Hurry up. I know it is difficult, typical, but at least try, beta.
Ma'am, may I repeat?
Continue now, continue. Your voice had gone. Continue, Bache.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, Dhananjay Kara is saying उसे अंदर ले लो मीटिंग में.
अरे He was out. Chalo, I'll end now. Up, beta, you speak. The child speak. You. By the time I'm admitting Dhananji, you speak. Continue.
From the chart, we can see that in year 1975, the emission of carbon by the countries was less, but there had been a steady rise in the carbon emission in the year 2005. Canada released the minimum amount of carbon that is less than 1 lakh. In Germany and United Kingdom, the amount of carbon emission from 1975 to 2005 has been decreased. In India, it has been increased from 1 lakh to 4 lakh. In sharp contrast, as comparing to the other countries, USA and China released the maximum amount of carbon. I'm done.
Very good, beta. Very good. Too good. You plan your concluding paragraph. First, you count the words. How many words are they? Tell me. And now, who will speak the second paragraph? Raise your hands. By the time she's counting words, somebody else try, beta. Raise your hands.
Ma'am, by observing this whole graph, we can say that how carbon emission is sharply increasing in the year 2005 in 6 different countries.
Very good. Continue.
United
prepare the
Kingdom,
details.
Germany, UK, China, Canada, India. In year 1975, United States, in United States,
बोलो बच्चे. Very good.
12 lakh metric ton carbon has been released. In Germany,
Hmm.
21 lakh metric ton carbon has been released. In USA, UK, 20 lakh metric ton carbon released. In China, 23 lakh metric ton carbon emission released. In Canada, uh,
Hmm.
in Canada, the less carbon has been released, and same with in year 1990, US released US released USA released carbon USA released 13 lakh metric ton
Yes,
carbon.
beta. Very good. You're trying. Continue.
In Germany, 22 lakh metric ton carbon released. In UK, less carbon released. In China, carbon dioxide suddenly rise. In Canada, again the carbon dioxide is less. In India, carbon released by India to
Good. Good. Speak.
20 lakh
Hmm. Mm-hmm.
metric ton carbon has been released.
Hmm. Good. See how nicely he's trying. Very good. Continue. Approximately how many words you've written? Just count, Dhananjay.
They are 165.
Very nice. Now you can plan the concluding paragraph. Very good. Very good. Carry on. Who's giving me the conclusion? Raise your hands. I'm waiting for the concluding paragraph. Raise your hands quickly.
Ma'am, ma'am, by
Yes, beta.
by observing everything, we can conclude that in Canada, the maximum carbon is released by China and USA, and minimum carbon released by UK and Canada. And this is the conclusion.
Very good. Very good. Good. Hurry up. Hurry up. Conclusion. Hurry up, beta.
Ma'am, to conclude, we can see that the amount of carbon emission have been increasing in USA, India, China, and Canada, whereas it has been decreasing in Germany and United Kingdom.
Very good. Very good. Now, what is the words? How many words are done? Tell me the.
Ma'am, 25.
Dhananjay, how many words for you?
Ma'am, do we have to send this in the group?
Ma'am, shall we post it on the group?
Please post.